Now to our heart of the valley, diabetes is a disease that targets more than just your body.
It can take a toll on a person's mental health. Valerie Gonzalez shares ways to stay motivated.
A diagnosis is just the beginning of a new life. The transition into it can be frustrating and at times discouraging. One doctor advises not to lose focus.
Day in and day out, Nurse Lisette Zamora sees patients with diabetes. The American Diabetes Association reports that nearly 10% of adults have it. Not too long ago, Zamora became part of that statistic.
How could it happen to me if I know so much? That's what was running through my head.
The news was hard to hear.
I was very sad. I did cry.
Psychiatrist Dr. Jose Yoga says the disease comes with other struggles.
People with diabetes do get more psychological problems. I mean, the prevalence of depression is almost twice as high as it would be in the general population.
Depression can take hold. Dr. Yoga says it's possible to break free. He emphasizes a need to strengthen 4 areas of your life: physical, psychological, social, and spiritual. He recommends a good diet, exercise, and enough sleep each night. Find ways to boost your self-esteem. Stay in touch with your spirituality and look for opportunities to surround yourself with positive influences.
Because if you isolate yourself and you're depressed, you are with bad company, because all it's going to be is negative. You know, it's the stinking thinking that occurs when you're depressed, where everything is you see in a negative view.
It's important to pace yourself too.
It's a chronic illness, so we should run it like a marathon. You know, not try to run like a 100-yard dash and try to make all these changes at a time.
Dr. Yoga says it helps to keep end goals in mind, like a child's graduation. That can keep you motivated during times when you're faced with food that may be bad for you. Zamora is still grappling with the news. It helps to have friends and family surrounding her. When the tough days come, she plans to address it.
Explain to the people that you love and telling them that sometimes you're going to have your bad days, but it's not them. It's just you because you don't feel good.
Diabetes can get worse when the proper care is not taken. More importantly, it can also get better.
You know, even though you may be called a diabetic, you are a person with diabetes. You're not a diabetic. And there's so much more to you as a person than just an illness.
Zamora is planning on taking it one day at a time.
Life for families who have a member diagnosed can also change. Dr. Yoga says it can become an opportunity to make positive changes. It can create better eating habits and spending time together outdoors. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 10.